Hi everyone, I'm Liz, the creator of the Mubbles, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin decoration, especially for Halloween, like this. Okay, this is what you need to make a fantastic Halloween pumpkin decoration. Some wool, orange wool, scissors, some pipe cleaners, green ones, and some string. Don't forget, I like to use whatever you've got around the house. So I'm making pumpkin decorations because I've got loads of orange wool. But if you've got green wool or black wool, then you can change that and you can make the same thing into spiders. You don't have to use orange. Right, okay, ready? Let's get making. First thing you need is a piece of wool. So I'm just going to cut one to about that length and have that ready because you're going to need that to tie the pumpkin with. Now, put the piece of wool on your fingers, and the idea is that you're going to try and wrap it together as neatly as possible. If you can do it in a nice, follow it round like that. I'm going to try and, there we are, that looks better. Then you just go over the end of the pumpkin, of the bit of wool that you left there, and just build it up like that. Just go all the way down. Just keep wrapping it up. Don't do it so tight that you can't slide it off easily. There we are. So that's about right. And then just cut the edge. I've already cut that one. And then this is where slide your pumpkin off your fingers. And then you're just going to try and pop it into the middle of the wool there, like that. And then tie it as quickly as you can, as carefully as you can. If you don't get it right first time, you can always just do it again. And then you have to tie a knot. You'll be able to see the pumpkin coming together. If you get it right in the middle there, then tie it really tightly, like that. There we go. I'm going to tie a knot. Like that. Then take your scissors, just trim the ends off on that one as well. And then I'm going to turn that back. Oh, that looks much better. There we are. It's just giving you a little pumpkin vibes. Like that. That's my nice little pumpkin shape. Okay, so you've got your green pipe cleaner, and I'm going to snip a bit off the end, like that. Now the end bits are quite sharp, so I would suggest that you just turn it over as well. Before I do that, I'm just going to slip that underneath. You see where you actually just tied the pumpkin together, just slip it underneath like that, and then give it a little twist. That just secures it. That's a great thing about pipe cleaners. That's very sharp at the end, so I'm just going to turn that over, and then you can just make it into a nice little twisty shape. So I've got my little pumpkin there, and I'm going to add it to the rest of my string, my pumpkin string. So you can just keep adding them, and I'm just using a nice bit of brown string there. There we are, that just secures it. There we have it. So I've got my nice, fun pumpkin decoration. Look at that, there we go. There we are. Look! That looks great. Yeah, so you've got your nice pumpkin decoration. And if you wanted to, you could add some little googly eyes on as well. That would be fun. A bit like I've done with the spider there. Happy Halloween! Brilliant!